birthday, Han! I love you! Thank you for everything, Han. Unsa naman ako kuha na, noy? Main kita na, no? I love you, Han. Thank you for your patience, for your understanding. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your thank you for being a good provider to our family. I love you. I miss you so much, Han. I really miss you. Ay, sorry. Naisaging, no? Sorry, sorry, Han. Sorry, kinaisaging, Han. I miss you, Han. I love you. See you soon. Enjoy. I mean, take care, diha. Then, wala lang. Makahilak na ko sa kay minaw na ko nimo. Wala ko ikahag. Ano? Kahilak ko na po ko. Miss you, Han. I miss you. Wala ko ikahag. Kanina na ako ihag mo. Love you, Han. I miss you. I'll call you later. Di pa mi sa Rio Verde. Napos sa sulod na nga. I love you.